All right, so if you want to check the stator here, what you're going to do is you're going to take a multimeter. As you can see right here, I have a multimeter. And you want to make sure you check your multimeter. Put them together, make sure that you have 0.1 ohms is good, 0.2 ohms is not bad. And what you're going to do is you're going to check between these two, right, these areas, to make sure that there's little to no resistance. In this case, we have little to no resistance between them. You want to make sure there's no opens, because if there's an open, there's probably a problem. Okay, that's good. Spin it around. It's good. Spin it around. Good. Spin it around. It's good. So forth, right? 0.3 ohms looks good. So now we have the rest of it. We ought to make sure that not only do we have good continuity on this right here in the commutator, what we want to do is make sure that you don't have a short. So what you're going to do is you're going to put this against this, right? And you see it's like 5 mega ohms, which is basically an open, okay? And then you could put it up against the shaft, make sure that there's no continuity. Because if there's continuity here and there, then you have a short, and it's probably going to blow a fuse. If it's not going to blow a fuse, I mean, it will blow a fuse, but this will not work. Okay, it's going to blow a fuse and it won't work. So this right here is tested good. So we have to make sure that now that this piece is guaranteed good, we're going to go here and we're going to make sure that the brushes and the leads are good. So first things I want to do is I want to make sure that you have the positive lead right here is over here. I'm going to make sure I have continuity, all right, at the brush level, to make sure that we don't have any issues with the leads, all right? So if I put power against it, all right, I should have no problems here. So you have, it's kind of low there, you have to kind of, there you go, 0.2 ohms. Let's go to the other one, make sure that we have a continuity between the line, make sure there's no breaks in this line. Even though it looks good, we have to make sure that it tests good. No sense in spending a lot of time on something that you can't test, right? So here we got all right, we got 0.5 ohms, not bad, right? A little higher than I thought it would be, but 0.5 ohms, okay. So between both of those, it's definitely not an open, it's good. So we should be able to pass power through these two leads and turn this, right? So I've cleaned the commutator, right? I went through each of the lines, right, with a razor blade, right, to make sure that I had good separation between them, right? And now I'm going to put the brushes against it and put this together to see if this thing will turn. I think it will, based upon what I'm seeing, because this was dirty, right? The brushes were dirty. And what I'm going to do is put this back together and see if it works. All right, so hopefully what I've done will pay off. Anyways, till the next video, thanks.